I'm in a Tesla Model S P100D. Next to me is a Lamborghini Aventador S, and that's owned by Yianni from Yiannimize. So, Yianni, tell us what's going on here. So, Yianni, tell everybody what's going on here.
I'm back with my Lamborghini Aventador S
to race you
in a Model S. I lost in my Urus against your Model X. Unbelievable. My Aventador beat your Model X.
Damn it! He's definitely got me.
So it's 1-1.
and this is obviously going to be the decider.
What engine and performance have you got out your Lamborghini?
6.5 litre, 740 brake horsepower.
680 newton meters.
It's fast.
So this Model S P100D has twin electric motors, and combined they produce 680 horsepower. They also produce 967 newton meters of torque.
What do you think's going to happen? Do you reckon I'm going to have you this time in the Model S?
I've driven that Model S.
And I was shocked.
The G-force is unbelievable.
Let's see who gets the better start.
Now, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Check us out on Instagram at CarWowCars, or my personal Instagram, which is at MattWatsonCars. And don't forget to check out Yianni's channel as well, Yiannimize. Okay then, electric versus rotten dinosaurs.
Oh my God, I missed the start.
Come on, Tesla, come on, come on.
Oh, I missed the start.
Come on, come on.
Oh, come on.
No, he's gaining on me now.
Come on.
Please, 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 please.
Even though I missed the start, I still got you.
You can tell how much I wanted to win that.
I missed the start so badly. Wow, that was really poor.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Tesla got a great start, but it was pipped at the post by the Lamborghini, which did the standing quarter mile in 10.7 seconds. Just 0.1 of a second ahead of the Model S. Yianni wasn't happy with this narrow victory.
I'm just annoyed. Even though I won, my launch has been on the money all day today on the other races, and the one that I actually care about in my own car, I've missed it.
You've got to give me another chance on the rematch. Even though I won, it might make it a little bit fairer.
It wasn't looking like I was going to be able to do anything, let alone have a rematch, as the Model S had started to throw a wobbly.
Don't know if this Tesla's going to do anything.
I can't turn it on. Unlock required. It all seems to be on.
I just couldn't figure out what was wrong.
What are the wing mirrors doing? That wing mirror's just lost the plot. What's going on? Come on, car.
I tried lots of different things to get the Tesla to work, but for some reason it kept saying unlock the car, even though it wasn't locked.
I've no idea what's going on with this. Come on. That's working. Some things are working.
With no thanks to Yianni whatsoever, I had a breakthrough.
On. Ludicrous. On. Unlock required. Hey, we're on! We're on! I'm not sure whether it's the car, whether it's me. It's just messing with me.
Sorry about that, Yianni. The car was having a bit of a breakdown, a mental breakdown.
It's gathered its thoughts and it's all fine now.
Electric, mate.
That's the problem.
Listen, you're in an Italian car. I mean, it's
Not
not...
going to be too long before that breaks.
This is a Lambo, not a McLaren, yeah?
Ooh.
You mean it's an Audi? Got an Audi key. Got an Audi.
Centre console, but it's got a ball on the bonnet.
You got some ball coming out of your mouth as well. Okay, we're going to do a rolling race, but I think we need...
Some parameters, Yianni, because...
At some point, you're going to overtake me. There's no two ways about it.
But what speed do we call it off at?
110 miles an hour,
If you haven't passed me by the time I'm doing 110,
I win it. Yeah?
Okay, but I want to start second gear.
Okay, second gear.
from 30 miles an hour, 35 miles an hour.
No, 30, because I bet your power band is on
35. So we're going to do 30.
And you have to pass me before I hit.
110.
Okay, cool.
Get level with me.
Get level. Get level.
Are you level? Come on, don't be shy.
3.
2, 1, go! I'm off. Right, can I get 90, 100, 110? Pass me? No! Yeah, Tesla!
The minute I see my speed, I hit 110.
And I was like, yeah, there's no point, because I know you said up to 110.
I reckon you'd have come past me.
Around 125.
So then, Yianni, it's one each.
Final test, all or nothing.
Brake test from 70 miles an hour.
If I don't beat this on a
Brake test, I'll be very disappointed with
the
this.
size of my brakes.
I think you're right.
This thing weighs 2.2 tons. You're like 1.7 tons.
Let's just do it. I'm not even talking about weight or anything. Let's just do this.
70 mile an hour, cone.
Come on, get level. Don't be hanging back. Don't be hanging back. Get level with me. This is the decider. Here we go. No chance. Well done, Yianni. Just stay there a second. I think you won.
I did. Oh.
Oh, wait a minute. No, you didn't.
What happened?
You lost.
Sadly, Yianni wasn't being conned by my lame trick.
2-1, yeah?
Yeah.
You definitely won 2-1.
And the quarter mile you won, which is the main thing, really, isn't it?
My Aurus lost,
My Aventador won both times against the electric cars,
which tells you electric is great.
but it ain't a Lambo.
Yes. If you enjoyed this video, please click on our logo to subscribe to this channel,
Oh, come on!
or to watch more content on the bottom right hand corner.
Please, 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 please!
However, if you want to save money on a car, click on the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save at CarWow.